Good evening. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome everyone here tonight for our annual open house. If I haven't had the chance to meet you already, my name's Patty Fry and I'm the principal here at South High School. As I've shared in a number of communications this year, we've had a great opening to the school year. Tonight, we ask that you follow your child's schedule and report to all classes as announced on the intercom. Students are in the halls as tour guides, and there's also a number of student fundraisers this evening throughout the school, and our school restaurant bakery is open. As you know, we have again this year put a big focus on the concept of students keeping their phones away during classes. It's hard to believe this is the fourth year of the phones being away, and I'm really impressed with both the students and staff commitment to this initiative. We're seeing that our students are less distracted and most importantly are engaging in person with one another. We will be keeping this heightened focus on phones being away throughout the year. It is working, and our goal is not to ban phones, rather teach them to live in the moment but be appropriate when they use their phones. This week has been exciting. It's Going Gold Week, where we're supporting pediatric cancer awareness at many of our events, so you'll see the gold boot around the building. Our teams, clubs, and other extracurricular activities are also off to a great start. The students are a tremendous group, and we're so fortunate to have you all as part of our school community. Finally, as you'll be hearing from us this year, all students will be setting up an electronic portfolio. Some already had those in place. And over the next few years, they'll be adding student work. When they complete this, it aligned with our vision of a graduate pillars. Our continual goal as a school is to help them throughout their high school years, and it's a journey, and produce adults who are problem solvers, mindful learners, inclusive individuals, informed citizens, and most importantly, effective communicators across all platforms. You will be dismissed from your classes via the intercom, and I encourage you to continue to follow your child's work after tonight's open house through our Aspen system, which is updated regularly by teachers. It's hard to believe it, but tomorrow is the midpoint of the first quarter. Students should also know to refer to their teachers' Google Classrooms, as they're updated regularly with info. The consistency of Google Classroom as a resource is one of the positives that came out of the pandemic. As always, we work hard to communicate regularly with families, but we get that it's a large school, so don't hesitate to reach out at any time with questions or concerns. We are far from perfect, but our continual goal is to help your children navigate their path to graduation and beyond. Thank you for being here tonight and supporting the Plymouth South community. Have a great night.